Welcome to a new segment here on my channel, and it's called Come Shop With Me. And I'm doing the first episode at Miniso. If you are from Ontario, Canada, you know that there's a few locations here. And this is actually the Mississauga location at Erin Mills Town Center. Miniso is one of the stores that I normally would check when I'm at the mall, and one of my favorite sections here is the snack section. As you may have seen, you already saw some snacks. There's potato chips, there's corn snacks, and I'll show you more of the little snacks that I just showed you. So these are mainly Asian brands. So over here are just little sandwich cookies that come in different flavors. I didn't really buy any of these snacks. I was tempted, but they were a bit pricey. It's normal since they are imported items, but maybe one day when I have a little bit of extra money, then I'll try these snacks. There's noodle snacks. And then there's also earlier, it's like Pringles, but they just come in little packets. This one is a snack version of the Taiwanese dessert. More of like a crunchy snack after just feeling it from the packaging. More of the little Pringle snacks. They come in different flavors as well. And the prawn chips that are in the pink packaging. More savory snacks, and then I'm familiar with Poke. They're little pretzel sticks covered in chocolate. These ones come in different flavors. Not that I want any of them. And here are some favorite drinks. So last segment I discovered it's not too bad. It actually works out perfectly. Items. So Miniso is a Japanese brand, but most of their items are in China. I actually tried some of these candles. They remind me of like the Bath and Body Works one. They're okay, but obviously a little different than the Bath and Body Works. And then Miniso is also known for their stuffies. Very, very cute ones. This one here is a bag of shrimp crackers and then a bag of pretzels. Also, Miniso, normally they tend to have themes, and I believe this year they have like a Disney theme. Just look at this Minnie Mouse stuffy. I'm not quite sure why it's purple, but I mean, it's still cute. And then I found kind of like, reminds me of Squishmallows, but it's a Tigger one. And then they have their little trinkets like keychains and pencils, clips that are Disney themed as well. Compared to the dollar store, they have more selections when it comes to storage bins and boxes, and they are obviously way more than dollar store prices. The price ranges at Miniso begin at $2, I believe, for most items, and then it goes up to, I believe, $20 max. But there probably are a few items that may be a little cheaper or maybe a little more expensive than the usuals. They also have, well, spring is almost here, but they are still selling cute, fuzzy, and warm winter items like socks and mitts. You know, some are Disney themed, as you may see. And also they have bags, accessories. I don't know why, but I didn't end up buying any of these cute hats. I'll show you in a bit. They are actually great for spring, summer, and just the design is, look, it's an evil witch. And then you're gonna see Maleficent too. Like, aren't they cute? But I don't know why I didn't buy at least one. I mean, $15 is not bad for a cap, but I don't know. Maybe when I go back, maybe it's still there, then I'll get one. Also, look at these cute Evil Queen cups. So it comes in a set of 4 with lids and straws. So these are just some of the items at the store. And I mean, there's still their toy section, their stationery section, which I did not really cover, but I hope you enjoyed this little come shop with me at Miniso. Let me know what you think of this episode. If you want to see more of this, please leave a comment down below. And I hope to see you on my next one. Have a lovely day. Thank you for watching. Bye.